Quick little beach sesh. It's super nice out today, so we're like, why not? We thought we was the only one with this bright idea. Look at the parking lot behind me, bro. All the lots are super packed. Maybe we just gonna sit here. I always like telling you guys on Thanksgiving, you know, some little happy words. Love your family, love your life, love the things you're able to do. Chilling with my gangsters in the cut. Mama, Papa in here, Grandma in here, but talk to them today the most I could do.
I love a little girl singing.
You wanna stop at my kicks like that, bro? Wait, you got kicks? Every single thing that we do. Yo, the beach is jumping today. Why? I thought I was the only one that had this bright ass idea. Like I was the only one. Oh, this is why it's dead, because there's no goddamn sun over here. Bro, this shit is packed. I'm like, I was trying to find a dead spot at the beach. Like, thought I was the first one to think of this today. I was like, yo, who's gonna be at the beach? I was like, yo, who's gonna be at the beach? Come on, it's Thanksgiving. People are with their family. Let's hit the beach and turn up. Bro, this shit is super packed. I can't even find nowhere to go. And we live close to all the hotels and shit. That's why. All these hotels got all the shit out. I love in every single thing we do. Jah got that little Don. My fault. You're not a fan of Don Julio? Don Julio.
I have my.
Cheers, guys. Shout out to that little food reviewer. Chicken Little, look at his little legs. Look at his little legs. Yo, Chicken Little. Yo, my guy Chicken Little, look at him. Look at his little ankles. That's all hair. Don't go too deep, my brother. I didn't even bring this guy a towel. I didn't even think that far in. Relax, bad man. Relax. Just chill out. We're supposed to wet our feet. We're supposed to wet our feet, Jah. Feet. You wet up to your elbow. I'll let it slide, though. Buddy love, Jah. Woo! Enjoy your day, man. Today, not too much recording. Just a quick little quick recap. Just tell you guys, enjoy your day. Enjoy what you guys got going on. Enjoy your family. Life's too short. Don't let no one tell you you're not rich. Look around. You got all the food in front of you. You got the people that love you. Hopefully you're not going 5 for 5 and you got a blunt you can roll. Cheers, guys. Jah, what's the saying?
I got white girls on me, Avril Lavigne. When I smell the smoke, nigga, I turn to gasoline. On the ground like on UGK, but on Supreme. We ain't spoon-fed, nigga, we came on serving fiend. Hit my target every time, it's like I'm shooting a beam. Ryan Bentley, presidential. She looking trusting them the teams.